Welcome to SCORE21 Formative Assessment Builder, developed by teachers for teachers. Let's create a test in SCORE21. From the home page, click Create Test. You will need to select the criteria for your test. The standards available to you will be based upon your purchase order. Select your grade level, course, and test type. For a description of each of these test types, please see the help document available on the te21.com website under Using SCORE21. Enter your test name. You may enter a test description if you'd like. Please notice that there are editing functions available to you. Type in any instructions you would like for your students. Description and instructions are optional. Once you're satisfied with your criteria, click Save and Add Items. You have several options for adding items to your test. For ELA test, we recommend searching by passage. At the top of the search box will be a target difficulty level. This is automatically set to 2.5. 2.5 is a nice middle-of-the-road test difficulty level. You can certainly increase or decrease the difficulty level as needed based on your students. When searching by passage, you also have the option to select specific genres for the search. The total number of items will show on your screen. You have the option to exclude any items you have previously used. You may also choose to exclude items on tests created by school administrators and district administrators. If you hover your mouse over the passage name, you will receive a brief description. You can also click on the blue passage ID number to read the entire passage. Once you've selected the passage you'd like to use, put the number of items you would like in the box to the right. The total number of items for each passage is listed. Once you've made your selections, the total number of items you're searching for will be displayed. Click Find Items. This shows you the target difficulty level and the actual difficulty level of the test. You can view any of the items simply by clicking on the blue item ID number. If you're not happy with your search, you may click Search again. Once you're happy with the selection, click Add Items. These items are now on your test. They're automatically displayed in compact view. For a more detailed view, you can click the button on the upper right. Items can be rearranged simply by dragging and dropping them. You can add additional items to your test. Click By Objective to search for items aligned to a specific objective. Remember, you can use the exclude items as well. Enter the total number of items per objective that you would like and click Find Items. Follow the same process as before, and when you're happy with your search, click Add Items. These items are now automatically added to the end of your test. To see what the printed version of your test will look like, click Preview Test PDF. Sometimes when rearranging items on your test, items that share the same passage become separated. The system will recognize this and offer to fix it for you. Click Fix It For Me, and items sharing the same passage will be put back together. Click Print, and a PDF file of the test will be downloaded to your computer. You may open this file to see what your test will look like if printed. If you're considering online administration of your test, you may look at the Online Test Preview by clicking on the link at the bottom of your screen. This will give you just a very basic look at what students will see when they take this test online. You also have the option to create your own items in SCORE21 to add to your test. Click Create Items and follow the prompts. For more information on creating your own items, please see the Create Your Own Items tutorial video. When you're satisfied with your test, scroll to the bottom of the page. You have three options. You can click Done, Create New Test, Done to schedule a test for online administration, or simply click the blue Done button and be taken back to the Find and Edit Test page. To find the test you've just created, click Search. All of the tests you've created so far in SCORE21 will be displayed here. The most recent test you have created will be displayed on top of the list. Let's create another test. This time I'm going to click Create from the left-hand navigation. So that you can see the differences, I'm going to select a math test this time. Enter my criteria and click Save and Add Items. This time I'm going to search by objective. Follow the same process for a math test as you did for the ELA test. Remember that you can view any of the items selected by clicking on the blue item ID number. When you're happy, click Add Items and they will be added to your test. For our purposes with math, I'm going to use the Detailed view. This will show you all of the item details, including thinking skill and difficulty level. If you're planning to administer your math test online to students, you have the option of selecting Calculator Active or Calculator Inactive for each of the items on your test. By selecting the Calculator Active button, you ensure that the calculator tool will be available for your students when they log in to take their math test. I can now click Done and find all the tests that I have made.